You did a really good job.
Thank you, brother.
Okay.
What?
Is there something on your mind?
Is there something on your mind?
It just looks like you might want to say something.
Martin.
Why? Why would I want to say something? Talking what just sneer at me?
I have never sneered at you.
Sweetie, please. You don't have to. You get your point across.
Okay, so fine. What do you want to say then?
Martin.
I don't want to say anything. I've tried saying things.
Okay, so try again. Release yourself.
Release you, you mean?
Fine, release me. What you want to say, fucking say it.
Don't you swear at me, you little shit. You don't ever raise your voice at me. I'm your sister. You understand that? I've given everything to you. All I ever do is worry and slave and defend you. And all I get back is that fucking face on your face. Always so full of disdain and resentment. And always so annoyed. Well, now your sister is dead. And I know you miss her. And I know it was an accident. And I know you're in pain. And I wish I could take that away from you. I wish I could shield you from the knowledge that you did what you did. But your sister is dead. She's gone. Forever. What a waste. If maybe this could have brought us together, something. If maybe, I don't know, you could just say I'm sorry. Or face up to what happened. Then maybe we could do something with this. But no. You can take responsibility for anything. So now I can accept. And I can't forgive. Because nobody admits anything they've done!
And what about you, Sarah? I didn't want to take her to the party. And she didn't want to come. So why was she there, Sarah?
Okay, we're stopping this. We're stopping this right now.
Fine! Fine!